Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on CapCut. So in order to do that, first of all you'll have to open the CapCut application, create a new project, and you'll have to upload the video that you want to reverse. In my case I already did that, and this is a video that I want to reverse right here. So I'm going to tap on the video, and at the bottom of the page, as you can see, there is a list of different options, and I'm going to scroll through these options right here until I will find the reverse option, which is this one, and I'm going to tap on that reverse option. And as you can see right here, my video is now reversing. So I'm just going to wait until this process is done. Depending on the phone that you're using, it may take a few moments, and of course depending on the length on the video. In my case, my video is very short, so it is going to reverse very quickly. So as you can see, it is at 99%. So basically right now the video has been reversed, and if I'm going to play this video, you will see that the video is reversed right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.